Hey y'all, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making this gorgeous centerpiece that I used for a wedding I decorated recently. If you want to learn how to make this, feel free to stick around. Please consider liking and subscribing to this channel and liking this video, and share if you think there's someone who you know who could benefit from this. So of course we're going to need our florals. Obviously this is up to you what colors and types of florals you prefer. You will need a stand, and I will link a video of how I made this stand so that you can see it's pretty easy to make. You will need some floral foam. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Of course you need your hot glue gun and glue sticks. You also need something to cut your stems. And these are some chandelier jewels that I got on Amazon. I'll try to link them below. So you want to start off by cutting your stems. Cut them so that they're not too long, so they could fit inside of the floral foam. For putting the floral foams on, I just use the stand to make the hole, I guess, so that it has a snug fit. And I glue the top one on. I don't glue the bottom one. You can, but I do want to reuse these stands, so I don't want to get too much glue residue on it. But I glue the top one on so it stays steady, because that one tends to move around when you're inserting the floral stems. And your next step basically is going to be just to stick the stems in. As you'll see, I'm just going to go around the foam and just stick them in. You don't want to do them too close, but you also want to make them close enough so there are no gaps. You don't want to see that green foam. So basically you just want to keep sticking your floral stems in until you cover up the foam, creating whatever design you want. Your objective is to create that design and just cover that green foam. We don't want to see that. Here I'm just using a little hot glue to get that one to stick. It wouldn't stay in. And just fluff out your roses. I'm adding the chandelier gems. Just be creative with this. You know, some longer, some shorter. I'm using hot glue, and I'm placing them first before the florals so I can place them where I want. It will be harder if you do that after the florals are in. When we're sticking these ones in, this first set I'm putting more towards the bottom to make sure I have good coverage, because I'm not going to put anything underneath them. So I'm sticking these towards the bottom half of the foam, and then I'm going to stick more towards the top to fill it out. I'm putting these pretty close together because I want a pretty full look at the top. For this particular design, the clients, they wanted a pop of blue to match their decor. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just adding in a pop of blue. And again, be creative with your design. It doesn't have to be exactly like this one. Just, add what you want to add until you get the look that you desire. I'm actually using hot glue to glue these in because the stems are so small that it's hard to get them inside of the foam and get them to stay. So I'm just using a little hot glue to assist me to get them to stay in there. You can stop there, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I'm going to be adding tiny pieces of faux pampas that I found at Michael's some time ago. Again, just make it your own, be creative, do your own design. That's basically it, guys. Very easy, very quick, affordable, and so pretty. These are gorgeous. These can be used for weddings. You can use it at home, baby showers, whatever. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Let me know what you would use this for. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.